AI news anchor, Q&A, system works using Pure AI plus NeuroGov plus, IGA-2026 architecture. This cockpit demonstrates a governed AI journalism workflow in which anchor questions are first analyzed by Pure AI in the inform layer, transformed into structured intelligence by the cognitive cube, evaluated by Analyzer 1.0 in the govern layer, and finally recorded in the assure layer before a trusted answer is released in text and TDS form. KPI measures performance, TSI measures required support, OSI measures outcome success. Analyzer 1.0 governs decisions using the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine to ensure safe, ethical, and sustainable intelligence. What happened in today's RBI policy announcement?
The Reserve Bank of India has kept the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%, indicating continued inflation monitoring policy.
What is the latest update on global oil prices?
Global oil prices remain broadly stable, with Brent crude near $80 per barrel as markets balance supply expectations and geopolitical signals.
How did the stock market perform today?
Major stock indices closed higher today, with banking and technology counters supporting gains amid improved investor sentiment.
What is the latest inflation trend?
Recent data suggests inflation pressures are moderating as supply conditions improve and food price volatility begins to soften.
What is the latest technology sector development?
Technology companies are expanding investments in artificial intelligence infrastructure, semiconductor capacity, and cloud platforms to support next-generation digital services.
What geopolitical developments are affecting global markets?
Ongoing diplomatic negotiations and regional tensions continue to influence global trade confidence, energy markets, and investor risk sentiment.
What is the latest climate news?
New climate initiatives are accelerating renewable energy adoption, carbon reduction commitments, and sustainability-linked funding strategies.
What developments are happening in healthcare?
Healthcare systems are adopting new digital care tools, improved diagnostics, and treatment innovations to strengthen patient outcomes and operational efficiency.
What is the latest education policy update?
Education authorities are expanding digital learning initiatives, skill development pathways, and policy reforms to improve institutional outcomes.
What is the latest news in space exploration?
International space agencies are preparing new lunar and deep space missions aimed at expanding long-term scientific research and exploration capabilities.
Why NeuroGov Plus is important in an AI news anchor system?
NeuroGov Plus is important because it ensures that AI-generated news is not released directly without control. It places Analyzer 1.0 governance between pure AI and public output, so every answer is checked for credibility, policy compliance, misinformation risk, and audit evidence before it is spoken or displayed. This makes AI journalism trusted, explainable, and accountable.
Inform layer shows news source activity and sentiment analysis for governed AI journalism. Cognitive Cube Intelligence evaluates credibility, context, trend, sentiment, and history before governance review. Analyzer 1.0 applies KPI, TSI, and OSI governance evaluation before any answer is approved. Assure records audit logs, timestamps, source evidence, and verification status for every governed answer. The image presents the IGA 2026 architecture, governed AI layers and sublayers, which visually explains how artificial intelligence should operate inside a controlled institutional framework rather than as an uncontrolled prediction engine. The architecture is divided into 3 vertically stacked layers: inform, govern, and assure. Each layer represents a stage in the life cycle of AI-driven decision systems. This structure reflects your philosophy that AI should first generate intelligence, then pass through governance evaluation, and finally produce accountable outputs with audit evidence. The inform layer represents the intelligence generation stage, where pure AI processing takes place. In this layer, systems collect and analyze raw data before any decision authority is applied. The sublayers include data acquisition, where information is gathered from sources such as APIs, databases, and media streams; data preparation, where data is cleaned and structured; and AI/ML processing, where machine learning models analyze patterns. The cognitive cube intelligence stage then performs multidimensional analysis using the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, after which candidate answer generation produces a preliminary AI response. Importantly, in the IGA 2026 philosophy, this output is not yet an approved decision, but only intelligence input. The second section of the diagram shows the govern layer, which acts as the decision governance mechanism. This layer ensures that AI intelligence cannot directly trigger actions without institutional oversight. The first sublayer, Analyzer 1.0 evaluation, applies governance logic to the AI output. Next, KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI assessment evaluates performance metrics, required support, and expected outcomes. Following this, policy and risk checks verify regulatory compliance, ethical considerations, and operational safety. Finally, the permission unit determines the decision status by issuing allow, hold, or block, ensuring that only properly evaluated intelligence moves forward. The third section illustrates the assure layer, which provides transparency, accountability, and compliance documentation. Once a decision passes governance evaluation, the system records evidence for institutional trust and auditability. Audit logging records all decision activities and system actions. Evidence recording captures the supporting data and evaluation results. Compliance monitoring verifies that decisions align with regulatory and organizational policies. The final sublayer, output publishing, releases the approved information to users, which may appear as text outputs or text-to-speech, TTS, responses, ensuring controlled and documented communication. Overall, the architecture diagram demonstrates the transformation of traditional AI systems into governed intelligence ecosystems. Instead of allowing AI predictions to directly execute actions, the IGA 2026 model introduces structured governance through Analyzer 1.0 and institutional policy controls. By separating intelligence generation, inform, governance evaluation, govern, and accountability mechanisms, assure, the architecture ensures that AI systems remain ethical, transparent, and compliant. This layered design forms the foundation of NeuroGov+, advanced AI, enabling enterprises, governments, and regulated sectors to deploy AI while maintaining institutional control and trust. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.